Welcome to our channel! In this video, we delve into the world of ROSEKM humidifiers designed specifically for your bedroom. Ideal humidifier for bedroom. Single refill of water that lasts overnight. This cool mist humidifier with 2.0-liter capacity can quietly run for 24 hours on low setting and auto shut off when it's out of water. Fast and powerful relief. This cool mist humidifier is made with 200 ml powerful output, helping you quick relief in minutes. No more troubles with congestion, coughing, and dry skin. Just the right size, not too big or small. It is designed in a compact size and provides ideal coverage for all areas of your home, including bedrooms, offices, baby nursery, and other medium-sized spaces. Customize your mist. You can adjust the mist output volume to the ideal humidity level for comfort with one touch control. The 360-degree nozzle can be adjusted to spray the mist in the direction you desire. 5-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with our humidifier, which comes with a 5-year warranty. No need to worry about returns. If your product is defective or used, we'll promptly send you a replacement. Experience the magic of ROSEKM humidifiers for yourself. Click the link below to order yours today and take the first step towards better sleep and enhanced well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on living sustainably. Thanks for watching.